Okay, I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to throw a cylinder. So I have a ball of clay and I'm going to throw it onto the wheel. Pat it down nice and strong. Okay, add some water. Pull the clay up by squeezing your hands and creating a cone shape. So I'm squeezing in as I move my hands up. Now I'm going to press the clay down by using the edge of my hand, pivoting on this, the top of your palm here on the edge, pivoting down to the bottom. As my left hand supports my right hand. Okay, I'm going to lift up again as I squeeze, and then I'm going to press it down with the side of my right hand. Okay, that's centering the clay. From there, you can create even walls. So I'm going to support my clay with my hands here, and I'm going to press down with my thumbs right in the center. Create a well here in the center. That's going to be the inside of your piece. So I use these three fingers tightly together because this is a nice straight line here, and it's a strong, creates a nice strong amount of pressure here. Bring the inside down and out as far as you want to go, leaving obviously the bottom of your piece. So leave at least a half of an inch at the bottom. And you're going to trim that off later after that starts to dry. Alright, so now I'm going to pull the sides up. I'm going to push out a little with my left hand, in a little with my right hand, and lift that clay that meets up between the two hands. Lift it up. Alright, you need just the right amount of pressure. If you squeeze too much or go too fast, you break the clay off at that joint. So take it nice and easy and lift the clay up. Okay, compress the edge here, the lip, by squeezing a little bit with your left hand and compressing with your right hand. Any extra water sitting on the bottom you're going to want to get rid of. Alright, one more pull here. Pushing out a little bit in the left so I can get this edge that my right hand can lift up. Fixing your lip. And there you go. That's a cylinder. If you want to clean up the bottom of your cylinder before you get it off the wheel, take a wooden tool, compress it down here on the bottom. Stick the pointy edge in to get a little indentation at the bottom so that when you take your wire tool here and pull it underneath, you don't get a lot of clay building up. If you want to put this, take this off the wheel so you can throw another one. If you have enough water here underneath, it should be able to slide off easily and set to dry, waiting, several hours or overnight so that you can trim the bottom. Clean off your wheel and ready to make another one. So with a little practice, you should be able to make one of these yourself.